There.
Where your hook at?
She got hers in her hand. She trying to. If it wasn't late at night and dark, somebody could go in there and get it. But no,
Can she swim?
she know how to swim, but it's too late at night. I wouldn't dare say
No,
much
no,
of it.
hell
I
no.
don't
I
know
would,
how to swim.
What?
I don't know how to
Now
swim.
you don't know how to swim.
I
yeah,
never knew
nigga.
how to swim.
Man, well, don't
Oh
never ask
Lord.
to, don't ever ask to
All
go.
of them knew how to swim. Now all of a sudden she don't know how to swim.
They
Yeah.
don't know how to swim. Only T3 does.
All right.
Who Willie can't swim?
No.
All
All
right.
right.
Everybody keep telling me both of y'all know how to swim. What in the fuck?
Yeah,
Oh.
baby. On my, hey, make yourself useful since you throwing stuff.
Don't throw my fucking phone.
Come get these scissors. Here, just clip it off, baby. Don't even worry about it. Clip this shit off. Take this shit at somebody's back. Can you, all you gotta do is you're really in there.
Yeah, but ain't this gonna come off?
No, no.
Oh my god.
Really, to the top. All right. Yeah, kill out.
I ain't.
No, just sit mine down because I don't need you. What are you doing?
You told me to get the scissors.
She already got them.
I got him. Get this
What
stuff.
scissors did you get?
I only got the ones that look like that one.
They were hooked to something.
What are we looking for?
Nothing. Just can you hold it? No, hell no, la. Here, hey, baby. No, hell no. Can you hold that leg for me, baby? That last thing I need, shit. Throw that one in the fucking water. I have to go. I'd have to go get that one. You laughing like,
Cause I'm so fucking pissed off right now,
oh,
dog.
I'm mad too. But I'm saying I thought you were laughing because I said if she threw your phone in the water, I'd have to swim to go get that one. I was like, nigga, I ain't gonna lie. I wouldn't. Oh yeah, nah, I wouldn't be shit happy about that.
Cause I can't replace it right now. So
I know. But, oh god damn dog. Snoop Dogg said,
I'm not joking right now. I don't even wanna
I ain't one laughing. He said, if it ain't one thing, it's a motherfucking another. Where am I?
What
What?
else are we doing? What are
I'm
we
looking for
looking
my
for?
rod holder.
Right
It
here.
should have. She got it in her hand. She already pulled it
There.
up. I told her to pull it up.
Oh no.
I never told her to. Not that fucking serious behind them goddamn bugs. And you've been around bugs, been to Granger and every damn thing, camping and shit. Got a damn head popper coming. You throw you. Oh, I'm ready to go. I'm over it. Shit. Let's go.
Hold on. Show me that. Put the light on me one more time.